Hey y'all, we're Tim and Tammy, and we're from Fargo, North Dakota, USA. We got married in 2020 during the height of the pandemic. While planning our honeymoon, we discovered that we missed travel so much that we decided to sell everything we owned and travel full-time. We moved to Turkey to buy a camper van and traveled to 100 countries in our van with our two kitties, Gunther and Maisie. Join us as we take you around the world and show you the real van life adventures. The good, the bad, and the ugly. So even the caretta, which is the sea turtles, all love to hang around Sugar's boat. This is his buddy. And when you go on Sugar's boat, you can for sure know that you're going to get tons and tons of some of the best food. He makes everything, and he has lots of vegetarian. He has almost all gluten-free. It's low carb stuff. Lots of salads. He's got the vegetarian little meatballs, but they're veggie balls, and then he's got the meat ones as well. There, I think she's getting some chicken curry, and he's got some salads there. There's also some more salads out on the table and breads. There's a yogurt dish. Every single one of his boats always comes with just the freshest food. It's insane. Plus, if you go on his boats and you are hungry, he's got tons of snacks. You just write down how many drinks you have. You pay for your drinks, and that's about it. At the end of the boat, you just settle up, basically. And he always has he always makes his famous chocolate cake. But on this cruise, I think it was Tina that brought some cake and had a competition with him. So right here's the cake. That was kind of cool. I thought they were both pretty good. Check this out, you guys. Here's like one of the first stops that we made last year. All the little fish are in there. There's so many places that he can take you, and he knows all the nice secluded spots. Spots where you're not going to find 7 or 8 other boats. You can always go like we did and have breakfast the next day with your entire boat, like passengers. It's a lot of fun to meet up with them later. So we're getting ready and we're leaving. This is 2022 now. We're taking off out of Fethiye Harbor and going to the first spot. This is a beautiful spot. It's so there's no wonder they call it the Turquoise Coast. It's such a great place to snorkel in here, and just the rocks and everything. And just be careful of those. They are very, very sharp, but.
and kiwi, special liver and meatballs, and potato salads on the table. And
This is the
you
feast.
try every single dish. You start from the beginning, yes, as usual.
How's everybody's food?
Perfect! Yay, very good!
Cheers!
We've got a jumpy one now. Good company. I haven't learned what that is yet.
Wine, beer, sugar.
It's just the 80 sound.
Pretty sure we're in paradise.
Cheers, guys, cheers. Cheers for Brandon. Cheers for Brandon. Alright. Anything you like?
I'll have FSC.
In that other spot, Captain does a backflip. And where did he go? Look at everybody looking. Where'd the captain go? He's under the boat hiding. Is she gonna lose her sunglasses looking over that side of that boat? Look at him, sneaky Captain Sugar. I swear that man has fins for feet. His boat is just absolutely spotless. So pristine. Right?
Mama,
What do you think, Tim?
yeah.
I think I need more drone batteries. Anyone watching, I accept charity. I'm not DJI Mini 2. Unless, of course, you'd like to replace it with a Mini 3, because it has 3 minutes average time of more battery power. Just saying.
Here they were. Tim wanted to get into the water and he had a broken hand because he tripped in Fethiye on a sidewalk construction. These guys are like, we're getting you into the water, man. Whatever it takes. Alright. Look at Captain Sugar just... He's so happy that everybody gets in the water. Tim's in the water. This beach was really cool. I love the snorkeling in this area. Probably the best snorkel spot we went to all day. I had a lot of other video of snorkeling. Unfortunately, my GoPro on my mask was set to slow-mo. So I lost all of my GoPro snorkeling video that I took all day at every spot. Luckily we had the other GoPro with, and we got some good footage on that one, but most of the snorkeling, we'll go back out and we'll do a whole underwater video. But this place was absolutely fantastic. I always thought it'd be really cool to just like bring some hiking boots along, change into your boots and go back into the forest there. Totally untouched by humans, I'm sure. So this is a little cove that we found. We came around this corner, I was just like, wow. I was hoping the cave went back even further.
I'm the king of the world. I wasn't gonna go all the way out there. Just look at how clear and beautiful this water is in this place. You can see the anchor chain. I don't know if you can pick it up in the video very well, but just amazing. Most definitely.
This is the little cave. It didn't go back very far. It looked a little creepy. Some of another one of the ladies on board was kind of nervous about going in there alone, so I made her come with me. I was a little more nervous than she knew, but I went back there too, and it was kind of cool. I did bring my snorkel mask back there, but again, did not get it on video because my video was corrupted. So I really apologize for that, you guys, on this video. I just kind of really wanted to show you what it's like to take a day, boat ride in Fethiye or in Turkey. This is not as typical as those giant boats that you see, but these are more of a private, limited number of people. He doesn't take any more, I think, than 12. If you look over to the left, there's a dark spot in the water right there. That's a motorcycle. Yeah. Tim just happened to get that and didn't even know what it was until we were about to leave. And I snorkeled it, of course, but didn't get the video. But that's a motorcycle in the water that's been there for who knows how many years. Look at that blue. It's just crazy. This is probably my favorite spot. Just because it was just so secluded. Every place he takes us, there's just nobody there. And there's literally thousands of these spots littering the turquoise coast of Turkey. I really wanted to go up into those trees, but we were having drinks. Not really a good idea. Oh, there was another boat that pulled in. That lady that's swimming out, she had to be in her late 70s. And she was just literally swimming out as far as she could. But it's the Mediterranean. It's so salty, you'll float. Even if you don't swim, you'll float. Look at that. You can see out to eternity. Just absolutely the clearest, bluest water. Even when you're underneath, it's so blue. It's crazy. I don't even know how that.
Do you have to rinse off?
Yeah, you gotta get the salt out of your hair. You don't you look like Medusa. Well, that's where we were over there. That's insane cool. This is something you don't see every day. Just out to the middle of the Mediterranean without even seeing any land at all. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and if you want to get a hold of Sugar, you can get a hold of him here. We'll put his other information in the comments below, and please like and subscribe to support our journey. Thank you.